editor and columnist at The Hill. If this were a private industry and you were rolling out some big, fantastic new product and it was taking you 6 weeks to figure out even how many people were enrolling, well, that wouldn't fly very well in the private marketplace, AB.
No, I think a lot of people would be fired and it would be deemed a failure. But at this point, I don't think it really even matters if HHS Secretary Kathleen Sebelius is fired, as people are calling for, because it's not even really a problem with the website. I mean, at some point they're going to fix the website, and that's all the troubles with the website deter enrollment, and early enrollment by the consumers the program needs, the low risk young and healthy, is required to keep costs down. So if we only have sick people getting through the 18 hours on a website to actually purchase coverage, then all our costs go up. But now the news that actually all along the administration wasn't even being truthful about what this law would do. Changes were made at the regulation level, changes that probably didn't even involve Kathleen Sebelius. None of this matters. The program is going to collapse under the weight of a lack of enrollees, and costs are going to spike. It will no longer be affordable. Now people who were insured, who this program wasn't even for, are finding out that the administration wasn't truthful about what it would do. Why would they continue to believe anything the administration says from this point forward?
The president said time and time again, if you like your health care plan, you can keep it. Turns out they're finding as much as 67% of the people who had individual health plans are going to lose them under this system. That's 2/3.
And some of these people's new monthly costs are going up between 200 and 400%, not $200 and $400. I mean, this is really terrifying. And what it's going to do economically is going to have an immediate impact. Anyone who's forced to now go on to a more expensive program and has more out-of-pocket costs, that's going to be a damp to consumer demand. Then at the same time, as I said, who's in the pool? If you don't have enough people that are actually going to join the pool and not just embrace the penalty fee, you have a pool full of people that cost the insurance companies too much money. How does that affect us? All of our prices go up, or the government's going to bail out the insurance companies.
There is talk of calling for Kathleen Sebelius' resignation, but a lot of indications are on the Hill that the president would be, foolish, I guess, to ask for that, because it would bring up all kinds of hearings, to replace her. There'd have to be Senate hearings, and it would open this whole barn door again for all the mistakes that have been made to this point.
I mean, obviously, politically, they want to do whatever they can to avoid that. They don't want to pick a new person, put them through the confirmation process. They don't want her to take the fall when it might not even have been her fault. But really look at the fact that they're in this hole. Does firing Kathleen Sebelius get us out of here any sooner? Does it fix the website? Does it help people who were once self-insured and like their packages keep their doctor? It doesn't do any of that. The problem now is the genie's out of the bottle. Once we pass this law that promises people who had no coverage that they could have coverage, you can't take it away. So at this point, the administration has to answer, how can this be fixed? Is it a delay? Is it just a website fix? A combination of both? How, when they haven't been telling people the truth, can they fix these problems? And I think they're under tremendous pressure to do that. The Democrats cannot continue to defend this.
Well, and they'll have to answer for this report that buried in the government documents from July 2010 are estimates that 2/3 of people who have individual policies are going to lose them under Obamacare and have to go to some other system. A.B. Stoddard from The Hill. A.B.